This is a 6-row repeat worked on a multiple of 4 plus 2. My sample was knit with worsted weight yarn on US size 6 needles, and I cast on 18 stitches. For row 1, you're going to repeat knit 2, slip 2 with the yarn in front, so you just bring your working yarn forward, slip the next 2 stitches and just slip them purlwise, and that's the repeat. Knit 2 stitches, bring the yarn to the front of the work, and slip 2 stitches purlwise. And you'll end the repeat with knit 2. For row 2, just purl all stitches. For row 3, you're going to repeat slip 1 with the yarn in front, and again you're just slipping purlwise with your working yarn forward or to the front. So slip 1 and then knit 2, bring the yarn to the front of the work and slip 1. So again you repeat slip 1 with the yarn in front, knit 2 stitches, bring the yarn to the front of the work and slip 1. Slip, knit 2, yarn to the front and slip. And you'll end row 3 with slip 1 with the yarn in front and knit 1. Row 4, purl all stitches. For row 5, you're going to repeat slip 2 with the yarn in front and knit 2. So with the yarn in front, slip the next 2 stitches purlwise and then knit 2. And you will end the last repeat by slipping 2 with the yarn in front. For row 6, purl all stitches. And just repeat those 6 rows for the pattern.